What's the meaning of creamy? Creamy. Creamy.
Creamy. Creamy. Creamy describes a texture or consistency that is smooth, rich, and luxurious. Typically, it refers to a food or drink that has a soft, velvety feel in the mouth and a pleasingly rich flavor. This can be achieved through the addition of ingredients like cream, butter, or cheese. Creamy foods are often associated with indulgence and comfort, and they can be used in both savory and sweet dishes. Overall, creamy foods provide a decadent sensory experience that is both satisfying and enjoyable.